wanted to make this year's Easter basket more environmentally friendly, so I'm not using Easter grass. I'm just using some greenery that I have had over the years, and I filled the Easter basket with that. All of this greenery in it that I can reuse for centerpieces and things like that. I hate the Easter grass and finding that everywhere for months on end. So like I said, I felt like this was a great alternative. And then this is a basket that I've just had for years that I'm just reusing. This up here isn't actually ribbon, it's fabric that I use for centerpieces, so I'm just tying that around to give it a little something special. I've noticed that this year's basket kind of has a self-care theme, probably because we have been working so hard on remodeling our tile and other areas in our house. I just thought my husband would need some things to relax. I picked this up at Target. It's a soap, and then instead of a shower scrunchie, you have this mitt that it goes into, kind of like the old school soap on a rope. I love the smell of this soap, and my husband really likes the soap. Like I said, I found this one at Target. I picked up this pocket-sized container of Aquaphor. It was in the travel section at Target. I picked up some bubble bath, and this body wash is new to us. We've never used it before, but I really like the scent, and he needed a new belt. I picked up the belt at Target as well, our favorite Starburst. I found these on Amazon. I don't know how it opens. Let me see if I can figure that out. So here they are. They have really fun scents. Like this one's called Grilled, the Fisherman, the Golfer, the Car, the Cowboy, and the Backpacker. I just thought that was really clever and fun, and they smell really good. And then lastly, this has to be my favorite. We always keep a bottle of this in our spare bathroom, but it's Poopery, and it's just the before you go scent. Anyway, I thought this was kind of clever. How it's like in a toolbox. I got this from Amazon as well. The bath bombs were also from Amazon. These do have a really great scent, and they also work. In the comments, let me know if you still exchange Easter baskets. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.